Welcome back to Miss Paque's project. So since we were last here, the deck has been completed. As you can see on the front face here, we have little lights going up the steps. So when you're going up at night, you can see everything, you're completely safe, and it's all good. What's not safe is the railing that's missing right now. So that's gonna be coming shortly. The deck elevation is pretty high up compared to the rest of the property. So our neighbors on either side have a view of the deck. So we're gonna be adding some privacy screens on either side, so the client will be able to enjoy her space without having any peeping toms. And then the fencing company is gonna come in and they're gonna be measuring the remaining space for the railing, so everything will be safe and enclosed. So when the grandchildren come over, there won't be any danger. Last time we were here, the carpentry team was working on the skirting and finishing all of the deck itself. Now everything is completely enclosed, so the storage under is waterproofed. The client has stored some items, so everything is away for the winter and we're all good. There's snow on the ground, we're pretty much done for the year, so the pool is all closed. We're just waiting on the fence company. They're scheduled this week to come in and install their panels, so the property will be closed off for the winter. After that, they're going to be doing the panels for the privacy screens of the pool equipment. Last time when we were leaving, the guys were prepping everything for putting down the sod. So it's December now, but we could still put down the grass and the plants go dormant. So it's actually a good time to be planting everything. You might notice that the greenhouse didn't make the cut. The client might be getting a new one, but that other one, she's out of the picture. So part of the finishing touches is adding little lighting in the plant beds and around the deck. So everything is wired to this one transformer here. So the client can control all of the lighting from her app in her phone. So everything is on different lines. And if it's on a different line, they could be on different systems. Until our paths cross again, don't forget to like and subscribe.